Hey, Janet over there at Central Roofing. This is Terrence with High Road SEO. I got your information from Erica. I was doing some research on your site here, and I just wanted to send over these three quick tips you guys can start using today to start outranking your competition. All right. I don't like to waste anyone's time, so if by the end of this short video, you feel that the information that I've shared can help increase traffic to your site and grow your business, then I would love to chat. If not, please feel free to start using this information today to start outranking your competition. All I ask is that you give me some feedback at the end of the video, if you wouldn't mind. All right, so going to be talking about three quick things here today: content, citations, and backlinks. All right, so content is any words here on the first page, any pictures, what's behind the pictures, and even what your pictures are saved as is included in the content. All right, so definitely want to make sure that any pictures that we're saving on our site, they're being saved under keywords that our customers are searching for on Google. All right, very important. Also want to make sure that we have at least 1,500 words of content on the first page. And I know this may seem a little wordy, but this is going to allow us to be able to work in the appropriate number of keywords and phrases that we need to start ranking on these top pages. All right. Love your site, love your site, by the way. It's very nice. Secondly is citations. And a citation is any business directory online where your address is registered and can be found by a consumer. Okay. So for an example, Google, Facebook, Yahoo, YouTube, any of these websites where your address is registered is considered a citation. And citations help us by being able to rank in what's called the map pack on the first page of Google for any keywords that our customers are searching for on Google. Okay, so obviously the top three businesses in these positions will have increased traffic to their site. Now, how do you get here? We have a tool to see exactly how many citations we have as opposed to our competition. So the name of the game is coming in and not only matching what our competition is doing here, but we want to get more citations than our competition. Make sure that our Google My Business listing here is optimized correctly so we can begin to outrank them and start taking this traffic. Okay. Thirdly is backlinks. Backlinks are the holy grail of how we get organic traffic to our site. And a backlink essentially is another website that is linking back to our website. And what this does is gives us relevance, power, authority in Google's eyes so we can begin to start ranking on these top pages. Okay. Now we also have a tool to see how we're stacked up to our competition here as well. So if we plug in our information here, we can see we have 386 referring domains, almost 2,000 backlinks being found for 850 keywords, bringing us a little over 800 organic visitors to our site every single month. Now we plug in one of the top competitors here in the area. They have a little under 200 referring domains, 1,700 backlinks. They're being found for almost 400 keywords, bringing a little over 1,100 organic visitors to their site every single month. Now, the beauty about this tool, we can come in and see exactly what referring domains our competition are getting their backlinks from. So just like the citations here, we can come in and match exactly what backlinks they have, their powerful ones, and then get more powerful, more relevant, more authoritative backlinks coming to our site so we can begin to outrank them here and start taking this traffic. Now I have to ask you guys, if you were able to dominate and even get 300-400 more organic visitors coming to your site regularly every single month, what do you think that would do for your business? All right, so with that, I hope this helps you. I hope this opens up the opportunity of what's available. And if you feel that me and my team can help you get there, then I would love to chat with you. I'll leave my information in the description, but it's 323-675-7483. All right, have a great day and speak to you soon.